guys, we are heading out towards Descend on Bend. I'm excited. And I wasn't even sure I was going until maybe like 2 weeks ago. Anyway, I'm going with this group, this organization called KIFT, Communal Living for Van Lifers. That's who I'm going to be there with and shooting some content for. And it's going to be a good time. I'm really, really stoked for this experience. And I hope you guys are excited to check out what it's all about. Right now it's Thursday, and it's actually the early day. It's kind of like you can get there a day early and set up, and then we're out Monday. So it's a good weekend, weekend-long gathering. I don't know what I'm in for, but let's do this. Alright, we have arrived. We're just figuring out like parking situation right now, so let's see where we're going. Getting situated. We got Santi back here controlling traffic. We got Jeff over here controlling traffic. And we're making an outer circle, an inner circle. It's gonna be badass. Let's do this. Seeing this event for years. I have not had the opportunity to go until this year, so it's super nice to have like this group, this community aspect, and I feel like this organization gives that. Alright guys, well, we are in full swing here at the KIFT location. It's so cool to like run into other people that I know that are scattered around here. You know, today is the main day that the gates open, Friday. And so it's gonna be really exciting to see this whole place fill in. We got some pancakes and cold brew over here at the KIFT booth. So, and Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi. So it's cool because I'm actually uploading my last YouTube video, if you haven't watched it, are preparations for coming here, and more of a day in the life video if you want to check that out. About to be uploaded finally, thanks to Starlink. Anyway, we got a couple of them out here, and it's a good crew. So yeah, so I really love our location because we're right next to, we're pretty close to like the main area, the main stages and porta potties and everything, and we're kind of off this like main road too, so like a lot of foot traffic passes by here, so it's great to like just meet other people that way as well. People are always passing through, so, and we're just loving life here out at Descend on Bend. track right now. Look what I found. Really wanted a hat anyway, and also I just found a slip and slide. A little slip and slide action. So welcome to Descent. And all these people up here. It's just never ending. It's so cool, guys. Everyone is so friendly. You make friends so easily. Yeah, highly recommend. I'm gonna keep going on my little one-wheel trek here. Go take my old hat back, break in the new one. I'll update you guys here in a little bit. But that's the update from Send on Bend Friday, day 1. Diego, welcome to my YouTube channel. How do you like Send on Bend so far, my friend? What's your thoughts?
I am the opposite of descending. I am ascending to another level. I'm chilling. Everything is amazing. Everybody here is cool. It's dusty though. I'd say less here, less dust.
Heading out, Diego and myself. We're gonna take a little one-wheel trip. We're going to the hole in the ground. We are going, it's about a mile trek to the hole. Literally, it's called, wow, that's morbid. You Google hole in the ground Vista. That's the destination. Very bittersweet moment right now, and I'm very grateful that I have gotten this opportunity and just get to spend this time and get to be in this space with this freedom, and you know, I do not take that for granted at all. People that you're supposed to end up with is just like who you end up with. And I've met some really just some really awesome folks out here, and not just at Descend, but just even in the last month. It's just like, it's actually like I found like family on the road and people that like I'm super, I just can't wait to see again and cross paths again. And so it's gonna be months and months and months until I see some of these people again. Or who knows though, you know? And not longer, so yeah, this is very special. and done been. I would say it's basically going to be an annual thing at this point. I'm just going to mark it down on the calendar because I'm already ready for next year. But if you're ever thinking about van life or coming to an event like this and worried about coming by yourself, don't be worried. I met so many people out here that were by themselves. I would have come probably by myself if I didn't have anyone else to come with, but I was grateful again to have this group to be with, and it's such a welcoming space and very, very easy to walk up and make friends and actually join a camp too. It can be a little intimidating, and I am that way. I struggle with that, but if you can work past that, if you can just push past that hesitation, you will not regret it. So. This is the end of a pretty insane 4 or 5 day gathering, and I'm just very grateful. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I gotta say goodbye to my friends right now, which sucks, but they're like family. And I just met them like a month ago, and they're just like super close friends now for life. All right, that's gonna do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry, I'm making coffee right now. Drop a comment down below. What was your favorite part? What's your favorite rig? Are you traveling or are you not? Let's keep the conversation going down below. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel and lifestyle videos from me and Sam. And we will see you in the next video.